Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am at Bear Lodge at 199 Cindy Lane. We are upstairs and we're going to be going over how to use the television setup here. This is an odd situation where you actually have two power buttons. This one right here is for the TV itself. So when you push the button on the right, it'll actually turn on the television. At least it's supposed to. There you go. Takes a minute. So currently we're set on HDMI 1. HDMI 1 corresponds to the CableOne box. And so traditionally what you have is your typical up and down with your channels, volume right here. And so as we adjust the channel, you have the different channels that come up. So this is using CableOne. And then volume, as normal volume goes. You'll see that on the left-hand side. Now, switching to the source on the Samsung controller, we have a Samsung DVD player. Now, you'll hit the source button right here on the top. And we need to scroll down to HDMI 2. Because it's not turned on. So, I recommend pushing the power button. Then it'll activate. And now we can see that it's become accessible. I scroll down with the arrow button and I hit enter. Now the nice thing about this particular DVD player, probably Blu-ray, is that it is also a smart enabled DVD player, which means that we're not going to do the upgrade right now, but you have the ability to log in if you have a Netflix account or Hulu account or Amazon. You certainly can put your code in there, but being able to simply and effectively put a disc into the player will allow you to watch a DVD and possibly a Blu-ray. I'm not certain if it's a Blu-ray or not, but I'm suspecting that it ought to be. And that's fairly it. And then the same thing where you have the volume control, you have the pause, stop, forward, seek, the volume controls right here, the source mode, back to HDMI 1. And that's just pushing that up button, hitting enter. And then that should then transition to the CableOne. And there's CableOne. And that is the utilization of the upstairs television at Bear Lodge.